Hi everyone, I'm Clinton Ryder, and today I'm going to do a review of the Focusrite Scarlett Series Solo and 2i2 audio interfaces for your music production and podcast needs. We'll give a general overview of the units, talk about the quality of Focusrite products in general, as well as investigate the Air button, a nice feature of the 3rd-Generation Scarlett interfaces. Both units are very compact. Both units are aesthetically stunning to look at. The Solo has a microphone input and a guitar input, and the 2i2, which is what you're listening to right now, what I'm recording my voice through, has two microphone guitar hybrid inputs. They all feature the famous Focusrite preamp, which is how Focusrite made their mark in the audio industry back in the 1980s. Both units have monitor volume for your studio speakers as well as headphone outputs for when you're actually listening with headphones. They don't have Bluetooth for those of you who use AirPods, however. And they both feature on the back left and right stereo outputs and a USB output. Both units also have the 48-volt phantom power feature for your condenser microphone, which is very popular for podcasting and vocal recording. Also has an instrument line button so that you can adjust the level of the preamp for when you play guitar or when you're using a microphone. If you're finding the video useful, please like it and subscribe to the Best Buy channel. If you'd like to leave a comment, we love to hear from you and we'll get back to you. One of the nice features on the 3rd-Generation Scarlett audio interface is the Air button. The Air button is an emulation of the studio class Focusrite preamps. When you push the button like this, you get a slightly different response from the frequencies, and it's really great for recording voice because it brings out the sibilance, the sounds like this and the little T's when you're talking and things like that. It just gives it a brighter sound, and so some voices really benefit from that. So when you're podcasting, if you have a voice that's not quite working the way you want it to, hit the Air button and see how it improves. Focusrite has also included some great apps and plugins. You'll find Pro Tools, Ableton Live, Excellent Audio's Addictive Keys, which is a nice virtual piano, a few effects plugins from Softtube, as well as the Focusrite suite of equalizers and compressors. To conclude my review of the Focusrite Scarlett Series Solo and 2i2 2-in 2-out USB audio interfaces, I'd like to say that this is a very great high quality product. I love the aesthetic, I love the size, I love that preamp, I really love it. For anybody who's starting out, you have exactly what you need and then some. If you're doing singer-songwriter work, the Solo would be a good choice. There's a microphone and a guitar. If you're doing anything slightly more complicated, such as podcasting with two people talking, you're going to want to get yourself the 2i2 Scarlett interface because you'll be able to use two microphones for interviews. That concludes my review of the Focusrite Scarlett Series 2-in 2-out USB interfaces. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to read more about the Focusrite Scarlett interfaces, you'll find my blog article on the Best Buy blog, and the link is below. Go to Best Buy's website to find a selection of audio equipment for home studio podcasting needs. And thanks for watching. See you next time.